So have you been eyeing the Simple Vintage Fresh Snow collection from Simple Stories? It just came out. In fact, I purchased it as soon as I saw it hit the stores, and now it's hard to find, but just wait another couple of weeks and it will come back in stock. So I picked up the 12 by 12 collection, the 8 by 6 pad, the vintage basic kits with the papers. I picked up a bunch of ephemera. I actually have um, a haul video to show you, so if you want, go check that out. But let me show you what I made. I made this 6 by 8 album, and it's a little different than what I normally do. First of all, there's a lot of layering, which isn't unusual for me, but well, let me take you through it. So it's got a spine with these interesting little things, and I'll show you what they are in a bit. We've got some chipboard layers on the cover. I've got some enamel dots, just a bunch of different ephemera here. I do have a toned down gold. I don't know that you would call it a rose gold, but it's a toned down gold color. I'll see if I can link where I got it from. I have to look it up. And then I've got a ribbon here. So if you open it up inside, you'll see, first of all, we've got this kind of hinge system. It's a binder system that is attached onto the spine. I played around with this and I decided that I like it, and I'm going to play a little bit more with it. So we've got room to put a photo here. Anywhere you see an opening, you can put a photo. It'll slip under there. Same for there and there. So you can put a photo. Now, I didn't make all of the photos for 4 by 6. I did make it a little bit smaller. Just, we all have extra space on our photos. You can probably trim down. So I've got that. You can add a photo onto here if you want, but otherwise just leave it because it's a pretty little vignette. I've got a little pocket here. I've got some of the adorable tags, some beautiful seam binding that I got from my scrap cabin. Really gorgeous seam binding. So that'll go in here and that'll go there. You could put a photo or journaling on the back of these tags because they're gorgeous. I loved how they did the tags. This is room for a 4 by 6 photo. There's a bunch of layering here, and then this is open at the top, and I just added that to it. Now, if you wanted to, you could add this onto the photo after you've attached it, but I just thought it was pretty just hanging out in here. Then on this page, again, this is open, and so is that. Love the snow theme. I'm thinking we're going to spend the winter up in the Northeast next year, so I'm just preparing to get some projects done, although this will be in my Etsy shop pretty soon, so I'll have to get more paper. So this is, again, open at the top, so you can stick a tag in there, and then this opens like that. So this is 4 1/4 by 6, so you can add a 4 by 6 photo with a little bit of room. If you want, you can just crop it down just a little. And this is just some layering. And then this will open like that. Room to put your photos, just a bunch more layering. Now, if you have a photo that is 4 by 6, you don't want to crop it, you can just lay it down over here. You don't have to worry about it. This is open, so you can still stick it in there. It still will fit. It's okay if this is here. You don't have to put the photo on the green, or you could have a small photo here and journal over there, however you want to do it. This I left open so you could add journaling or a photo, whatever you want to do. Oh, this goes in here. It's just a side loading pocket and with a journaling card. I loved this tag with the deer. This was a ribbon I had in my stash, and I had some fun fur that I just tied it with. Loved the magnolias. I thought they were very pretty. This, of course, is open. These are popped up a little bit just to give you some dimension. And of course that says cold hands, warm heart. This is actually open here. I still could put something in there. This will open this way. Room to put a little bit of journaling, but as well, you've got room for your 4x6 photo, and that's open. Here's another pocket with the top 5 winter things that you like to do, or sites that you like to go see, or different hot cocos you like to drink. Here's just a journaling card. Now you could stick a photo in there too. This will open as well to give you room to put photos. Now this has a lot in it. So here's some ephemera. I just added some paper over there. So we've got this, which is perfect to put a small little picture or put one on the back. So that goes there. So here is where you could put your photo. And then you can take this little card and put a photo in here, or put several photos, or maybe tickets to a movie you went to go see, or whatever ephemera you've got. And you can put that in this pocket here. And then I added just a bunch of different odds and ends. So this one says it's time to sparkle. So I like him, but you can put some photos on here or journal on the back, or like put it on a white piece of paper and glue it onto there. But I wasn't sure if you wanted this album, what you would want to do with this. I always like pockets in the back because it gives you a great spot to add all of that extra memorabilia, all those different things. Of course, we have this little clip here because I thought it was fun. So again, it's a different kind of album. I picked up these rings and made an album and attached it. But I also decided I'm going to put a couple of these blank ones in my Etsy shop. So again, it measures 8 by 6. It's got an 1.5 inch spine. I also included some pages. So the pages are 5.5 tall. This is 4. That's 4.5. Most of the pages are going to be 7 inches. So there's a couple of 7 inches. This is made with heavy duty cardstock, 100-pound cardstock. And then there's a couple of pages at the back. I mean, you could add more pages, but I just wanted to start you out with something that you could make it a tuck spot. You could add more to it. You could make it a pocket. You could move it up to the front. There's lots you can do with that. And it's just all ready for decorating. So these will be in my Etsy shop as well. So if that's something you want to do and just decorate your own. So again, I used the fabulous Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Fresh Snow collection. I loved it. It's beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and have a fabulous day.